Have you ever heard of Docker and wondered, what is Docker, and why is everyone talking about it? Docker is a platform that makes it easier to develop, deploy, and run applications by using something called containers. But what exactly is a container? Think of it like a lightweight, portable box that holds everything your application needs to run, like code, tools, libraries, and settings. Before Docker, developers frequently ran into issues like, it works on my machine but not on yours. This was due to different environments could have different settings, dependencies, or software versions. Docker solves this by using containers, which are isolated environments that ensure your app runs exactly the same everywhere. Apart from that, Docker offers key benefits like efficiency and speed. It shares the host operating system's kernel and uses fewer resources than traditional virtual machines, and containers are fast to build, deploy, and start. Ideal for agile development and scaling. Do you wonder how Docker works? We use a file called Dockerfile, which is a simple text file with instructions for building your application environment. This file is used to create a Docker image, a snapshot of your application and all its dependencies. You can think of the image as a blueprint. Finally, you run this image as a Docker container, which is your application running in a contained environment. Let's say you built an app on a specific Linux distribution. With Docker, you can package this app with all its dependencies into a container. Now, you can easily share this container with anyone, and they can run it flawlessly on their machine, even if they have a completely different setup. You can get our Docker cheat sheet, which has all Docker commands. That's Docker in 2 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech concepts simplified. Thanks for watching.